Hello, my lovely viewers. Welcome back to my channel. For my returning subscribers, thank you for your amazing support. If you're stopping by, I promise you are at the right place. Consider clicking that red subscription button. It is free. And the notification bell. Don't forget to like and share my video. Do you want to know how I prepare this very beautiful, delicious breaded bread known as Challah Bread from scratch? Just keep watching. Check at the description box below for the full list of these ingredients. I begin by pouring 240 ml of warm milk into this very cup. And to it I add sugar and yeast. Stir them well and set it aside to cool for about 7 minutes. In the bowl I have the bread flour. To it, I add the salt, mix well until combined, then set it aside. Now I'm going to pour the flour mixture into the mixing bowl with the stand mixer. Then attach the dough hook. Here is the yeast after 7 minutes. Well proven. The yeast is very well alive. To it, I'm going to add the eggs. Then mix them well. Now with the help of my stand mixer, I'm going to mix both the dry and the wet ingredients. I start with low speed, then add the yeast mixture gently. Keep mixing them until they form a dough. If you don't have machine, don't worry. You can as well mix without machine. I'm going to put the link of this very video at the description box below. Watch it and see how you can mix without machine. I'm going to fast forward here and I'll be right back. At this point, I'm going to add the butter, the melted butter. Then I'll continue mixing them until they are well incorporated. Once they are well combined, I'm going to stop and scrape down the dough hook and the bowl. I'm going to dust the work surface with flour. Transfer the dough and knead like so. Keep kneading until it is smooth and elastic. Then form a ball-like. Now I'm going to grease a clean dry bowl with the help of my pastry brush. Then roll the dough in the oil until it is well greased. Seal it up with the plastic wrap. Now set it aside to rest in a warm environment for about 45 to 1 hour depending on the temperature of your room until it is double in size. 45 minutes later, dust the work surface Work with the dough in a folding method. Form a ball like with the dough and divide it into 2 equal parts. Keep one aside and cover with plastic wrap. Then the other, divide it into 3 equal parts. I'm going to roll each into a strand. Then I repeat the same process with the rest. Just watch me and see how to do it. I continue to assemble the whole strand, then start the breading. Once I'm done with it, I'm going to transfer it into a baking tray, covered and lined up with parchment paper. Spray it with the cooking spray. I'll repeat the same process with the rest dough. After repeating the same process, I then transfer it into the baking tray. I now apply my cooking spray. You can use your cooking oil with the help of your pastry brush to do the same. Now seal it up with a plastic wrap. Cover it with the tea towel and set it aside to rest for the next 20 minutes. 20 minutes later, here is the result. I'm going to apply the egg wash. At this moment, I'm going to sprinkle some sesame seed. After this, transfer it into a preheated oven and bake it for 20 to 25 minutes at 170 degrees centigrade. 25 minutes later, guys, take a look at this breaded bread. It's looking so yummy and delicious. I would like you to try this at home. I hope you will enjoy it. If you like this very video, please give me a thumbs up. If you're new here, please consider to press that red subscription button and the notification bell so that you will know whenever I upload a new video. Till next time, stay healthy and be blessed. Bye.